Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to start a live broadcast on Facebook on iPhone. Please watch to the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we need to go to Facebook. Then here we have Home, Video, Friends, Marketplace, Notifications, and the menu. And we're going to click here at the top, How to Add a Post. Here we can choose a photo, we can choose a video, we can do tags. We click on Live Video. It opens up. We can flip the camera around with you. Now here, if we want to click Go Live, we'll go live. But before we do that, we can add the different effects that we want to add to our live broadcast. We can also remove them. We can turn the flash on or off here. We can also change the camera back and forth. We can turn the sound off or on. Also click here. Here we can choose the name, the time we want to broadcast, for whom it will be for friends, for sharing. We can also add people to the broadcast here. So as soon as it launches, our friends, we immediately select the search box and click Done, and people will join us and notifications will come. Then we click Go Live and the broadcast will start. That's how easy it is to start a Facebook live broadcast on your iPhone. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.